Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge.
And I'm David with Wolfe Ridge.
Right now I'm back in David's area. He takes care of welding conveyors, hydraulic tanks, and a whole bunch of other stuff here at Wolfe Ridge, right?
Yep.
All right, today what are you working on?
I'm making 15-gallon tanks for some of the splitters.
Okay, and these would go on 17RS and 28 Pro.
I believe so, yes.
I'm correct. Okay. So we're gonna go through the steps and show. This one's already tacked, right?
Yep.
But not fully welded?
Not welded.
Okay, and now you can show me how the components come in before you tack them up.
All right.
All right.
All right, I start out with a top and I put some parts on that. This is the outside of the shell.
Okay.
As is this bottom and back plate.
Okay.
And then this here is a baffle that goes in the middle.
Okay.
So that the oil can slowly go back to where it needs to go.
Okay, cool.
So it doesn't get bubbles or something.
And all of these are cut and formed here?
Yeah.
All
Everything
right.
comes from a sheet to over there, over to me, and then out to powder and onto the machine.
All right. So the form pieces are tacked together now.
Yep.
And you could run your bead or whatever, but do you have other, what else do you have to put on here yet?
I just had to put this bung hole here.
Okay. This is the bottom of the tank?
That's the bottom of the tank.
Okay.
This bung hole here.
Okay.
And then a foot there and a foot there.
Okay. All right, so Dave's gonna start welding all the corners on this thing now. Okay, Dave, it looks like you whipped out those welds pretty quick.
Yep. Now I'm just gonna put in
He's still smoking here. All right, what's next?
I'm gonna put these in here for where the pipes go in and
Okay. That would be the suction side, right? For the hydraulic pump.
Sure.
Yep, okay.
And that. Ready?
Yep. Is it possible that you've done this a time or two?
Once or twice.
All right, now it's time for the drain plug bung to go in.
This one is all done, and it will not leak, guaranteed. Right after this, we pressure test them all before we send them to powder coat. That way we don't have to mess up the powder coat.
That's the oil filter canister, and I know it's a combined filler on these tanks, so that's where you fill the hydraulic oil too, and then here you've got for the sight glass. David, thank you for going on camera today and showing us how these tanks get welded together here at the factory. I do think it's really cool that these things are like 100% made here at Wolfe Ridge. It's not an ordered out part. And I mean, you gotta feel kind of good about that too, huh?
Yeah, man, I take pride in all this stuff. I really enjoy it, and absolutely anytime. I'm happy to show you what I do. Yeah,
maybe next I'll get back here when you're doing another one of those big conveyors.
Yeah, man.
He really likes working on those 40-footers, so.
Sure do.
All right. Thanks again, David. Have a good one. I will see you soon.
Later, man.
All right. If you want to see that 15-gallon tank on the machine, here it is. This is a 28 Pro. This one's getting crated because this is going out to one of our dealers where they double stack these for shipping. So the wheels and tires are off of it for that purpose. But here's that hydraulic oil tank. And again, this has a combination fill cap filter area here. So you would take this cap off in order to fill the hydraulic oil, but you would also take it off to change the cartridge filter that's inside of there. All right, behind me is a stack of 25-gallon hydraulic oil tanks that just got back from powder coat. And again, these are all made here. If there's a specific machine or process that you guys want to see in videos, let us know. Let us know in the comments section. Let us know what you think of these how it's made videos that we're doing. If you'd like more information on Wolfe Ridge products, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. There you can find all of our machine prices, configuration options, lead times, and more. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.